Two very serious heartbreaking incidents that have shaken India recently. One happened in Pune, Maharashtra at the Swargate bus depot and the other in Beawar, Rajasthan. Now these cases have made people angry and everyone is demanding justice. So let's dive into the details step by step and also share you the latest updates on this.
रात 1:10 के आसपास स्वारगेट रेप बस टर्मिनल रेप इंसिडेंट के आरोपी को गुनाट गांव से डिटेन किया गया था। हमारी डॉग स्क्वाड ने अलग अलग जगह की लीड्स दी, जिस लीड्स के आधार पे हमें काफ़ी पॉजिटिव उसकी रिजल्ट मिली। ड्रोन कैमरा जिसमें थर्मल इमेजिंग युक्त कैमरास थे, वैसे ड्रोन कैमरास का यूज किया गया था और उसकी भी काफ़ी फायदा इसमें हुई थी।
बाहर था, उसने अपने आप को कंडक्टर बताकर महिला को बस के अंदर बुलाया। मतलब एक हिस्ट्री शीटर इतना बड़ा अपराध कर देता है। क्या सरकार को कोई इल्म नहीं था, कोई जानकारी नहीं थी? क्या प्रशासन को पता नहीं था? और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो सारा बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ जैसे नारे, ये बहुत खोखले हैं।
Stay with us till the end because every detail matters. Let's start with the Pune case. Now, this incident happened on February 25, 2025, early in the morning around 5:30 am when it's still dark and quiet. The place was Swargate bus depot, one of the biggest bus stands in Maharashtra. Around 60,000 people travel through here every day and 600 buses operate from this spot. It's right in the middle of the Pune city and the Swargate police station is just 100 to 150 meters away. But even with all this, a terrible crime took place. A 26-year-old woman who worked as a pre-operative counselor in a hospital, meaning she helped patients get ready for surgery, arrived at the depot. She was waiting for a bus at Paltan, a town in Satara district about 113 kilometers away. She had finished her night shift and just wanted to go home. Around 5:45 am, a man came up to her. He called her Didi, matlab sister, and asked where she was going. When she said Paltan, he lied and said, "Your bus isn't come here. It's at the another platform. Come with me, I'll show you." He pretended to be a bus conductor to gain her trust. She followed him to Shivshahi bus, an air-conditioned bus run by the Maharashtra State Road Corporation, that is MSRTC. The lights inside were off and it looked empty. She hesitated and said it's dark inside, but he told her passengers are sleeping. That's why the lights are off. Go in, I will turn them on. She trusted him and stepped inside. But the bus was completely empty. Before she could get out, he locked the door from the inside. The AC bus had all its windows shut, so when she screamed, no one outside could hear her. Between 5:45 am and 6:30 am, this man raped her inside the bus. After the crime, he ran away, leaving her unconscious on the floor. When she woke up, she was in a shock but managed to call a colleague for help. The depot officials were informed and soon the police arrived. They filed an FIR and started investigating. CCTV footage showed the man escaping easily after the crime, with his face covered. But after checking more videos, the police identified him. His name is Dattatraya Gade, a 37-year-old man from Pune. He's not new to crime. He's a history cheater, meaning he has a record of breaking the law. He's been involved in 6 cases before, like the theft, robbery and chain snatching across Pune and nearby areas like Nagar and Shirur. In 2019, he got bail in one case and has been out since then. Sources say he used to hang around Swargate depot a lot, sometimes pretending to be a policeman to trick people. He even ran a car as a taxi on the Pune-Nagar route and robbed passengers, especially the elderly woman. After the crime on Tuesday, Gade switched off his phone and ran away to his village Gunat in Shirur Tehsil, about 70 kilometers from Pune. The police launched a massive manhunt. 13 teams were formed, including 8 from the crime branch and 5 from Swargate police station. They used drones, sniffer dogs and even got help from over 400 villagers.
कल रात 1:10 के आसपास स्वारगेट रेप बस टर्मिनल रेप इंसिडेंट के आरोपी को गुनाट गांव से डिटेन किया गया था। इसमें क्राइम ब्रांच, जोन 2, स्वारगेट पुलिस स्टेशन, रिक्रूट्स, RCPs ऐसे अलग अलग पथक करीब 500 अधिकारी और कर्मचारी इस ऑपरेशन में पिछले 3 दिन से थे। कल इसमें गांव के जो गुनाट गांव के करीब 400 से 500 नागरिकों का इसमें बहुत सहकार्य मिला। हमें इंफॉर्मेशन बहुत जल्दी आती थी। हमारे लोगों को पूरी सोई सुविधा, उनके लोग मोटरसाइकिल्स पे खुद जो खेती की एरिया थी, जो शुगर केन की फील्ड्स थी, उसमें उन लोगों ने खुद से जाकर के बहुत ही अच्छा मेहनत और हमें मदद किया। हमारी डॉग स्क्वाड ने अलग अलग जगह की लीड्स दी, जिस लीड्स के आधार पे हमें काफ़ी पॉजिटिव उसकी रिजल्ट मिली। ड्रोन कैमराज, जिसमें थर्मल इमेजिंग युक्त कैमराज थे, वैसे ड्रोन कैमराज का यूज़ किया गया था और उसकी भी काफ़ी फ़ायदा इसमें हुई थी। हमें देरी ज़रूर हुई, लेकिन कल फाइनली आरोपी को अरेस्ट किया गया है।
A reward of 1 lakh rupees was announced for anyone who could give a solid tip. For 2 days, Gade hid in a sugarcane field and a paddy field in Shirur. He was smart, he kept moving and avoided using his phone. But on Thursday, February 27, he made a mistake. He was hungry and thirsty after hiding for so long, so he went to a house in the village asking for food and water. The person he asked turned out to be someone who tipped off the police. That was the breakthrough they needed. By late Thursday night, the police zeroed in on him. Villagers spotted him near a canal and the sniffer dogs picked up his scent from a shirt he would worn. Around midnight on Friday, February 28, 2025, about 75 hours after the crime, Pune police arrested him in Shirur. He was brought back to Swargate police station, where a special investigation team, SIT, took him into custody. Police Commissioner Amitesh Kumar said they found a ligature mark on his neck, which means he might have tried to harm himself before getting caught.
The preliminary investigation indeed shows a ligature mark on his body, and interrogation says that he indeed attempted to commit suicide. We still have to verify those facts before we confirm it.
Right now, he's been taken to Sassoon Hospital for a medical checkup, and later today, he'll be presented in court. People are calling this a big win for the police, but it also raises questions. How did he escape so easily in the first place? And why wasn't he caught sooner with his criminal history? This case has made people furious. On Thursday, students, activists and Uddhav Sena workers protested at Swargate depot. Some even vandalized the security guard cabin there. NCP leader Supriya Sule said the depot manager had warned the police about troublemakers just 3 days before the incident on February 22, but nothing was done. She is asking the Home Minister to look into Pune's law and order situation. Meanwhile, 23 security guards at the depot were suspended because they failed to keep the area safe. An official from MSRTC said a crucial security post has been vacant for almost 3 years. And one person is handling 3 jobs at once. Can you believe that? Maharashtra Transport Minister Pratap Sarnaik has reacted too. He's ordered a full security audit of all bus stands and depots in the state. He also said all old unused buses like the one where this happened must be removed by April 15th. Plus, a departmental inquiry is on against the Assistant Transport Superintendent and Bus Depot Manager at the Swargate for security lapses. People are comparing this to the 2012 Nirbhaya case in Delhi because it happened in a bus and so close to a police station. Former Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud spoke about this too. He said laws were made stricter after Nirbhaya, but they are useless if they are not followed properly. Right now, the focus is on getting justice for the 26-year-old woman who's still recovering from this trauma. Now, let's move to Rajasthan, where another shocking case came up in Beawar's Masuda area. This one involves minor girls from a private school being targeted. It all started on February 15, 2025 when a father noticed 20 lakh rupees missing from his wallet. He asked his elder daughter about it and she broke down crying. She and her sister then told the truth. Some boys had recorded videos of them and were blackmailing them for money and worse. These girls studied at a local private school. They said 2 Muslim boys from the area assaulted them, made videos and used those to force them into giving money or meeting them again. When the parents went to Vijayanagar police station on February 16, they met 2 other families with the same story. In total, 5 minor girls from 3 families were victims. 3 FIRs were filed and the police jumped into action. The police arrested 12 people including 3 minors. The main accused are Hakim Qureshi and Riyan Mansoori, who were said to be the leaders of this gang. Others arrested include Lukman alias Soheb, Suhail Mansoori, Rihan Mohammed, Afraz Javed, Arman Pathan, Sahil Qureshi, and a few more. According to the police, this gang targeted girls walking home from school because their houses were on the same route. They would talk to the girls, take them to a cafe, assault them there and record it all. Then they would use the videos to blackmail them, asking for money or forcing them into more abuse. The gang shared the girls' phone numbers to keep track of them. This went on for months until the parents found out. Since this case broke, the police have seized the accused's phones and devices, which are now at a forensic lab to recover any deleted evidence. As of today, February 28, 2025, 10 of the accused, 7 adults and 3 minors are in custody. The court has given police 5 to 7 days to question them further. But there's no big update on the investigation's progress yet. It's still ongoing. The public reaction has been huge. Protests started in Beawar and spread to nearby areas like Ajmer and Bhilwara. Vishwa Hindu Parishad and local people hit the streets saying this is like the 1992 Ajmer rape case where over 100 girls were exploited. In that case, the culprits got life imprisonment in 2024. Here, lawyers even attacked the accused when they were brought to the court. The Beawar municipality demolished the cafe where the assaults happened and put notices on the accused homes and a nearby mosque to remove encroachments. People are calling this a love jihad racket and demanding quick action. They are asking why aren't our daughters safe? Tensions are high. Markets in Beawar, Kekri, Binai and Gulapura have been shut for 12 days now. And the extra police have been called in to keep things under control. Rajasthan Governor Haribhau Bagre said on February 24 that this might be targeting girls because of Hindu groups, which has added more fuel to the debate. But as of now, the focus is on the police investigation and getting justice for these girls. These two cases in Pune and Rajasthan show us how unsafe things can still be, even in busy places or nearby schools. In Pune, the accused is caught but people want him punished fast and hard. In Rajasthan, the investigation is on and everyone's waiting for the results. Both cases remind us of Nirbhaya. Laws exist, but are they enough? Are we doing enough as a society to stop this? The government and police are acting now. Arrests, inquiries, audits, but big question is, how do we stop this from happening again? More CCTV cameras, better security, teaching kids and women how to stay safe. Share your thoughts in the comments below and be neutral, okay? And be respectful towards the people as well. This was a heavy topic, but we need to talk about it. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Stay aware, stay safe and keep an eye on your surroundings. Sometimes a little alertness can stop a big crime. We'll keep bringing you updates as they come. See you in the next video.